She was once called the giant of Africa. She was once called a city that is set upon the hill. She ran without her light to give light to the rest of the African nation. She is my country, Nigeria.
She blossomed with her numerous natural resources, the envy of most Western nations, the pride of the African nation, the Iroko that stood tall among other nations. She is my country, Nigeria.
Oh, my heart bleeds. How had the mountain fallen? The great Iroko has fallen with no backbone to rest on. It has shattered into pieces.
How do I define my country? How do I define the envy of most Western nations? How do I define the giants of Africa?
My country is in shambles, dilapidated, shattered, the dread of most Western nations, the dwarf of the African nation, the nightmare of most of our citizens, the depression of our youth, the lamentation of our children, the frustration of most parents, the den to kidnappers, the abode to terrorists, the pit that harbors innocent blood. Where is the glory of the giants of Africa?
I pledge to Nigeria, my country. Wait a minute. Did I just pledge to a country where insecurity, hunger, starvation, kidnapping, herdsmen, terrorism, flood, and incessant strike action is the order of the day? No, I withdraw my pledge.
Until my country, Nigeria, is restored to our original glory. I refuse to pledge until there is justice for my brothers and sisters, aunties and uncles, over if they don't check action and low educational and medical standards. I refuse to pledge until there is justice for mom and dad over poor and collapsed economy. I refuse to pledge until there is an end to injustice, tribalism, segregation, oppression, and corruption. I refuse to pledge.
My heart bleeds. This is my appeal unto you, aunties, uncles, sisters and brothers, mummies and daddies. Go and get your PVC. Come out in mass and exercise your civic rights. We can decide to stop all this and make my heart bleed through your electoral power. Please vote wisely. Don't jeopardize my future by collecting rights and urgent 2K. Vote capacity, vote ability, vote credibility. Say no to electoral malpractice.
With your votes, we can rebuild our dear country, Nigeria. With our votes, we can make Nigeria to be the giant of Africa again. With our votes, we can make Nigeria to be the envy of most Western nations. Please, vote wisely.
Then, I promise to pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal and honest, to serve Nigeria with all my strength, to defend our unity, and to uphold our honor and glory. So help me God.